All right, bike ride down to Fenway on game day. It's actually opening day, if you can believe it. Take this bike lane here on Boylston. There's the little shuttle guys going the wrong way in the bike lane, huh? That's a tough work out there. I don't even know if I can do that for an entire game or before and after. I should try it though. Maybe I'll put that on video. Taking a right on Ipswich. Surface is terrible on this road. Careful. It is a very logical road to use to get to and from Fenway Park in Boston, Mass. Driving down here 20 minutes before a Red Sox game. All right, wiggle our way through here. Let's take a peek at Lansdowne. The old days, this was never closed off, wide open. Just local guys with the sausage stand. Well, here's Lansdowne before a game, opening day. Larry Bird, engine Larry Bird. Go back over here to Lansdowne. Got some, hopefully everybody's okay. A lot of flashing lights up that way. There we go. There's the boys, statue, and Yaz and Ted. A little tour around Fenway right before a game, opening day 2026.